Zealandia, Earth's Eighth Continent by Joel and Rico. Zealandia is an almost entirely submerged mass of continental crust that sank after breaking away from Australia 60 to 85 million years ago, having separated from Antarctica between 85 and 130 million years ago. It has been described as a continental fragment, a microcontinent, a submerged continent, and a continent. The name and concept of Zealandia was proposed by Bruce in 1995. Zealandia's status as a continent is not universally accepted, but New Zealand geologist Nick Mortimer has commented that if it wasn't for the ocean, we would have recognized it such a long time ago. 94% of Zealandia remains submerged beneath the Pacific Ocean, with a total area of approximately 4,920,000 kilometers squared. The rest, 6%, is in the North Island, the South Island in New Zealand, New Caledonia, and other small groups of islands like the Chapman Islands. Gondwana was a supercontinent that existed about 550 million years ago, up until 180 million years ago. Eventually, Gondwana became the largest piece of continental crust, covering an area of 100,000 square kilometers. It eventually submerged with Euro-America to form the larger supercontinent called Pangaea. Gondwana and Pangaea gradually broke up. The remains of Gondwana make up about two-thirds of today's continental area, including South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, the Indian subcontinent, Arabia, and Zealandia. The breakup of Gondwana occurred in stages. Some 180 million years ago in the Jurassic period, the western half of Gondwana, Africa and South America, separated from the eastern half, Madagascar, India, Australia, Antarctica, and Zealandia. The South Atlantic Ocean opened 140 million years ago as Africa separated from South America. About the same time, India, which was still attached to Madagascar, separated from Antarctica, Australia, opening the Central Indian Ocean. What evidence is there that Gondwana existed? Well, Wenger used document cases of fossil organisms that had been found on different land masses that couldn't have crossed the current oceans. Fossils of the megalosaur has been found in South America and Africa. Remains of other organisms appear to be linked to these two continents. A volcano is an opening, usually in a mountain, in the Earth's surface from which gas, hot magma, and ash can escape. The word volcano comes from the Roman name Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Volcanoes are often found at the meeting points between what are called tectonic plates. These plates are pieces of Earth's surface that fit together just like a jigsaw puzzle. Did you know that there are 50 small volcanoes in Auckland? The reason New Zealand has lots of volcanoes is because it's part of the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a bunch of tectonic plates in the Pacific that move often, causing frequent earthquakes and lots of volcanoes. The driving force behind plate tectonics is the conversion in the mantle. Hot material near the Earth's core rises, while colder mantle rock sinks. It's kind of like a pot boiling on a stove, said Van der Els. The convection drives plates tectonics through a combination of pushing and spreading apart in the middle ocean ridges, and pulling and sinking downwards in the subductional zone, researchers think. Scientists continue to study and debate the mechanisms that move tectonic plates.
Gondwana was a supercontinent that broke into new continents, including Zealandia, because of the plates moving, which caused the volcanoes to appear all over Zealandia.
Thank you for listening to Joel and Rico's video about Gondwana, Zealandia, and volcanoes. Thank you.